Good morning, guys. If you're hopping in now, I think it might be a replay. I'm going to wait for a few more minutes until everyone hops on. For If you're watching the replay, comment hashtag replay. If you like the look, please tell me what color I can wear for next time. Every time I hop on live, I will drop something off. I think twice I broke Lipson's colors, Lipson's bottles. So whenever I hop on live, I'll be like scrambling all the things around, and I'll be toppling over something, and where I don't want to break these bottles, because last time the one I broke, um, the entire bottle was there literally. So which I don't want to do because it's hard to transfer, but somehow my husband managed to seal it, so that way I salvaged it. And I wanted to show what I did for today's look. I think I brought everything I have used. I will I'll anyway be listing in the post, but let me go ahead and say what I did. Today was my mom's birthday, so that's the special. She's turning 73, so blessed to have her in our life. I I obviously miss her, as you all know. Like she recently fell down and broke her wrist. Hopefully, she's doing really well now. She's healing, and it's almost 70 to 80% healed now. Being with the COVID and quarantine situation, it was really hard because she couldn't even go take an X-ray or go to a hospital because she has sinus, and she used to have asthma. So I was literally worried to ask her to go because already she can walk only when she hold on to the rails and other things. So now it will be really hard without touching anything. I didn't want her to go and get something infected at this moment, but thankfully she was now much better, so I'm so happy about it. And so that's the reason to celebrate for today. I'm yet to make the video call for today. Once I get ready, I'll finish my post, and Fridays I get to do my FaceTime with my parents and also my in-laws. So Fridays are like something they also look forward, and I also look forward these days, because that way I get to spend some time with them. And for today's look, I think I have worn this sari around May 2018, and then I wore it as a first one in the, what is that, like, I mean, the Navratri season, because Navratri had a red, so I didn't have a red, seriously. So I was like, this is the closest red I had, so I wore this one along with it. But both times I had a different eye look. Obviously in 2018 it was like very simple one. I didn't have like a very heavy eye look. I think for the Navratri one, I did recreate my eye look from Whimsical Brush. That's the one I recreated. And once I think it was like a brownish, brown and red mixed, and the other time I did with black and gold, I remember, if I remember. So I wanted to go a little different, so I used more of a red tone this time, so it's like a red and black. So what I have done is I have used natural tan to color correct. That's the first shadow sense I have used. And then I have used what is the next one? I used a red. Red is a matte shade. this is for part of the rainbow collection. Rainbow Shadow Sense collection is like one of the must have, because as you all know, it came with all matte shades. Not only that, it is like primary colors, so it had obviously red, blue, green, violet, yellow, orange, everything. So red is part of the rainbow collection, the Rainbow Shadow Sense collection. So I have used it in my crease to create that crease a little bit over my natural crease. So I have used red on that, and then I have used garnet, which is like a coffee brown. This is where those two are limited editions, whereas garnet is from our permanent line. So it's like more of a coffee brown, I would say, like a very everyday, you can use it like a everyday all over shade. It's a really good one. So I have used it in the outer corner and also on the crease little below the red. That is the one I have used. And the next one I have used is I have mixed red with the garnet, and I have applied it all over my lid. That's the one I have did to deepen the color, because red, as you can see, it's really prominent, whereas I wanted like more of a maroonish shade. So what I did is I mixed red and garnet to make it that maroon shade. So that's the one I have applied it all over, and then I went ahead and used a bandana shimmer all over the lid again. When you use a color like red underneath, this will enhance the bandana shimmer. It applies to any color. For example, if I the look I have created using gray shimmer, I think I have used granite as a base, then I have used the silver shimmer on top. So that way you can enhance the color more. And then I have used sandstone pearl shimmer, which is like a ivory white kind of. I have just used it in my inner corner to bring that like a glow. And then I have used onyx to tightline, and also I have made like a very thin eyeliner look. I haven't made it a very thick one because I wanted the red to show up here. That's the one I did. And I have used the brown pencil for my eyebrows, and I have used Lash Sense non-water 3-in-1 lash primer, and also I have used the non-waterproof Lash Sense mascara. I really love when I can layer these two. And for today's look, I have used tan, but I wanted like a golden blush. So I have used copper rose shimmer for today. That's the one I have used because I wanted it to instead of using like a pink blush, I wanted it to go with the golds I am using. So I have used that for my eye look. And for my lips, like how I said, I have done a few more times about the I look the same way. The past 2 times, I think I have used either a crimson, which will go really well, like a dark maroonish shade. I have used crimson, or I have used Muldavine and plum layered. So I have used that too. So if you are new to LipSense, you can pretty much layer, or you can pretty much pre-mix the colors. So I have created a custom color once with that. Even you can use something like neutral, which will be really close, but it will be little lighter than that. If you are comfortable to wear reds, you can do that too. But for today's look, since I have already done like a red eye look, I wanted to course the little different. So I'm going to do Sheerberry Diamond. That's the color I have chose, because I don't want it to be too confusing to have too many reds, so I'm going to go with a little subtle one. This is more of a what to say, like a everyday shade if you have just have sheer berry, but this has already crushed diamonds in them, so it will going to have like that extra shiny glow. But I'm just going to seal it with glossy. That's what I have it in mind today. I'm not going to do any pigmented glasses. Sheerberry as a everyday shade, sheerberry is part of the permanent line, so if you are looking for a everyday shade, just sheerberry works. If you want to turn it into a glittery one, you can just add any of the glitters. Like we do carry gold glitters, we have silver glitter, we have prism, we have pink prism. So if you choose that, you have option of going either matte or going with like a what is it, like a glittery one. So I'm going to go ahead with the application of sheerberry diamond for today's look. So first let me go ahead and wipe my lips clean. If you are new to Lipsense, Lipsense is molecularly bonds with your lips. Lipsense is a patented lipstick which can which is like a 4 to 18 hour wear. It's not a lip stain. When you start applying Lipsense, the very first thing you are going to do is always make sure you clean your lips well, so that you don't have any makeup or any already used lipstick or something, because that way Lipsense can molecularly bonds with your lips, and also it will stay longer when you clean the lips well. And at the same time, Lipsense, if you are a first time buyer, obviously you have to buy Lipsense along with the glossy gloss to seal with it, because Lipsense will be sticky until you seal it with gloss. You can pick any gloss, but if you are a first time buyer, I always prefer you to have glossy gloss as your first gloss, because glossy gloss will be highly moisturizing, and also you can pretty much use it as a lip balm if you are, even the days you are not wearing Lipsense. And the next step will be obviously shaking the Lipsense tube really well, because Lipsense doesn't have any chemicals to mix them. So if you can shake the tube well, that will make the color to mix. Hi Manu, how are you? How is your little one? I keep watching your pictures. It's really he's getting cuter every day. Hope you can reach sooner once the COVID situation finishes. How are you enjoying at home? So I'm going to go ahead and start applying sheerberry. Lipsense goes on 3 thin layers, so I'm going to go ahead with the first layer. While you apply Lipsense, it's little harder to talk because you cannot smudge your lips in between. That will take away the color, but I will still try. So that's my first layer. Always make sure you dry like 20 to 30 seconds in between the layers, because that way the cosmetic grade alcohol in it will evaporate, leaving the color as it is. So it will not be streaky. If your Lipsense is streaky, that means you are not giving away enough time to dry, and also you are not making thin layers. So if you try to do those, your Lipsense will not be. Thank you, Manu. Thank you so much. So let me go ahead and do my second layer. So this is my second layer with Lipson's diamond collection. I think we have Sheerberry diamond. We have what else? We have caramel apple diamond. We have bombshell diamond. We used to have praline rose diamond, I guess. I don't have praline rose and bombshell, but I do have sheerberry and caramel apple diamond. Whoever got the mystery bag, some of them received caramel apple diamond. That's a really good what to say, like a package, because caramel apple diamond alone is like $30. I think they got what else? I think they got even non-waterproof mascara and all. So if you see, they paid like $50 for each mystery bag. But as I said, this itself is 30, and the non-waterproof mascara is another 28. So even those two paid for your mystery bag, and also they got still extra things after those two. So anytime if there is a mystery bag, please make sure to grab it. You can either order from the company and they can send you out, or you can order through me. I always make like a bulk purchase of like how many ever orders I get, and I usually get fewer extras, and that way I can pick based on what's your preference will be, because and there is no assurance on what kind of packages I will get, but still I will try to give the best that can work for you, because even if one product works, then you will pay for the same with the mystery bag. So it's kind of a gamble, but I am obviously happy, because some of them got even the hair serum. If you see that the hair serum itself is $65. They got extra, I think, hydration mist and something else. So hydration mist was another 40, I think. So it is like you pay for like $50, but you end up getting more. The same way, one more package I really loved. What else they got? I think they got the detox mask. If you see the same way, detox mask itself is $50. So even if you buy alone, that itself you might have paid the same. So whenever there is a mystery bag, if you have never tried, please give it a try. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. So this is my third and final layer. So I have completed 3 layers of sheerberry diamond. I'll just wait for a few seconds and then seal it with glossy. And as I said, I should swatch you sheerberry diamond. I think I have already did when I did the first thing. You will not. I'm sure the camera will not pick how gorgeous the color is, because you can see it in the tube, but still when you go out or even in your bright light, you will see the difference of how much you will see the glitters, like I mean the diamond particles in it. It's genuine crushed diamond, so it glitters like anything when you go in sunlight. I really love to watch these kind of swatches actually. So these are like fun additions. As I said, even if you have a color like neutral, you can still add this any diamond collection one. That way you can have like a matte shade and just add one layer of it and still have that glitter come through the color. So let me go ahead and seal it with glossy. So once it's sealed, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay put. Whether it's lunch or dinner, it's going to be there. So for any party look, these Sanajan's makeup will be like a blessing, because you don't have to worry about whether it has a fallout, whether you are cooking or whether you are attending the guest. It's not going to smudge at all, and it's not going to transfer in any of your clothes or kids' clothes. And so it will be like the more it settles in, the more it look natural, and it will be like you'll be glowing all day. So that's the advantage of using Sanajan's products. And what else for the day? The men's sale is still going on, so mine is already got shipped. I know there was a little delay with the USPS and FedEx and all due to COVID. I have sent few packages last week. I know few have reached, but few of them were little delay, and even my package from California is going to be little delay. Like usually it arrives in 2 to 3 days, because I have a what is it, like a significant seller status, where they try to ship early, but due to limitations like number of people working limited, and also with the USPS, it's the packages are getting little delayed. I hope you all understand at this time. And so it should be arriving here by next week, so you still have time either to order through me or ordering via the website. You have both options. You can as I said, it's such a fun package to give it to your men, and also it's going to be one that they really appreciate using every day. And even the lip balm, you can snatch it for yourself and enjoy it, because these small things makes the what is it, like taking care of yourself easier. For me, that's what, like, I don't even remember when I had chapped lips last, because I use anyway only lip sense, and every night I don't forget to apply my lip balm. So those are like two things I do along with my lip smooth. So if you are interested in the men's collection, please feel free to ping me. Today for my hair, I didn't have any clip or something, because I know last time when I did that, everybody wanted me to send a picture without having a clip or anything. I never do like a free hair. Like I am a person who likes to tie it up and with the old school hairstyle. I changed it only last year to just having it like this, but still I'm getting accustomed to the one where I can leave it. I will try to take a picture for today, and so that you can see it. I will post that too. And hope you all are having a wonderful Friday. Enjoy the weekend, and spend more quality time. I know summer is going to be here any sooner, and the schools are going to close in a month or so for everybody. So have a wonderful time. See you soon with the new content. Bye.